Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure your plan supports 5G and that your SIM is 5G ready. Carriers often provision service on their side. Once done, update your phone's operating system and reboot to clear cached network settings. Now open Settings, head to Connections or Cellular, and find Network Mode or Preferred Network Type. Tap that option to reveal 5G choices so you can proceed to select the appropriate mode for your area and device. Next, choose the correct 5G mode. Usually 5G Auto balances speed and battery life by falling back to 4G when necessary. 5G only forces the device onto 5G but may drain battery or lose service in weak areas. If you roam internationally, enable data roaming after confirming your carrier allows 5G abroad. Should mobile data fail, inspect or reset APN settings to carrier defaults. This often resolves authentication or packet routing issues and lets your phone register on the 5G core network. Finally, confirm activation by looking for the 5G icon in your status bar and run a speed test to verify throughput. If 5G does not appear, toggle airplane mode on and off or restart the phone to force a fresh network attach. These steps often resolve registration glitches. If problems persist, swap SIMs into another 5G handset to isolate the issue, and contact your carrier to confirm provisioning or request a replacement SIM. This single troubleshooting tip usually fixes unresolved connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.